I keep getting this question multiple times, that how we can expand the radius of our GBP profile and how we can expand the proximity basically. So I keep suggesting them to start creating location pages and start working on them. This is the way they can expand the reach. When you start producing the more geographical data related to your service areas where you want to rank, you should start creating content and you can fulfill the Google. Like on YouTube or other various sources, there are hundreds of different ways people are suggesting you should create the location pages. I literally tried most of them, but they are not that much optimized or that much good so that we can get some kind of best results. So after iteration, after doing like hundreds of tests, I have created my own version, version 1.0. So after looking at this 1.0, you will get a best version for yourself too. So I'll show you what I have created for the location pages. So let's go to the screen. You should have the home page at the first level. So right now we are not going to discuss about these other things. Our main goal is to discuss about the location segment. So we need to create a service area hub page where you will mention all the cities you are serving. If you are specifically working in the US market, then you should create a county page too. Your city page first. I will give you an example also. So let's say it's your main city page. Then this page will have own separate services. This page will have their own landmarks, own neighborhoods, and own zip codes. Every city page will be linked with layer 2, layer 3, layer 4 and layer 5. I'll show you the real case example. We are targeting these cities, all of these cities. So we identify neighborhoods, we identify landmarks for each the neighborhood and for the city. So let's say our main cities. So for this city, these are some nearby cities. These are the neighborhoods according to my main city, and these are the city level landmarks, and these are some city level zip codes. So we get all of them, then we divide it into 3 layers. The first layer, city layer, second layer, neighborhoods level, third layer, landmarks level. So you need to get the data for all of them. You need to positioning them according to the city pages. So let's say we are serving 5 cities. So each page has their own layers. Each page has their own city level service. So just in case your city is Houston, you are offering 5 services. This page URL would be, this page has the content about city plus service 1, city 1 plus service 2, then whatever the services you are offering. And then each city service page has their own layer of customer personas. If I show you a real example which I created for my own client, so now you can clearly see my screen. So for this one, we have city, these are the cities, then these are the counties, these are the neighborhoods, these are the landmarks, and these are the zip codes. So these zip codes are related to this main city. So Austin, Houston, then Sugar Land, Richmond, Katy. Then again, if you can see all the pages here, the service area hub page. So in this page area we serve all across Texas, county, cities, neighborhoods. The URL structure would be there. Here is an example, your client domain, then locations. Then we need to go to the city page. So as I showed you in the mind map, on the city page your URL would be city specific. So let's say you are getting page for this one. So the URL of this page would be city, that city and state. Then if I go the proper site structure, city level pages with services. So these are the city level pages with services. Okay, so now look at here. First page would be Houston. Then second page, you need to have the Houston and water damage restoration. This is how you can create the all pages. If you go to the neighborhood level, then Houston and the Montrose, then your services. If you want to go to the landmark level, then near the landmark, then again all the services. This is how you can create for the zip code level, and all are these for different customer personas. Now again, the neighborhood page here is, now if you want to create for neighborhood pages, we should go like this. Okay, so for each zip code page, these are some kind of examples. These are some for landmark level, these are for some neighborhood level, these are for specific zip code level. So this is how we can create the URL structure for all these location pages, and this is the best version so far. We are tested, and we are getting best result from them. Okay, so if I showed you earlier the layer 1 for city 1 page, layer 2 city plus service, layer 3 city. You should talk about the neighborhood pages, landmark level pages, zip code level pages, and each zip code also has a customer persona. So zip code 1, then service 1 plus customer persona 1, zip code 1, service 1, customer persona 2, and this is how you can create the master level of location pages. Okay, so I hope you like this video, you get the value out of it, and you just start testing this thing on your own customer domains, and you will get the best results out of it. Okay, if you have any questions related to the entire segment of location pages, just drop your questions in the comments. I'll go and answer them. And if you really like this video, please like the video, subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.